Now here's a quick description. IMCE is an image file uploader and browser that supports personal directories and quota. So that sounds very promising for what we're looking for. Again, our goal is to allow a user to be able to work with images in their WYSIWYG, and that involves them being able to upload new images as well and access images that they've uploaded already. Let's go ahead and read through the features really quick. Basic file operations, upload and delete. Image operations, we can resize, create thumbnails, and preview. Interesting. Support for private file system. We haven't talked about private files yet. Configurable limits for user roles. File size per upload, directory quota, file extensions, and image dimensions. So this sounds good. It means that we have granular permissions per user role. And if you combine that with this next line, which is personal or shared folders for users, it means that not only can we configure how big, how many images that the user can upload, but we can allow them to share images between multiple accounts or have folders that are dedicated to a particular account or role. Let's keep reading down. We can set permissions per directory, nice. FTP-like directory navigation, which means that there's probably a hierarchical view for folders that allows you to drill down to folders within folders. File sorting by name, size, dimensions, and date, so it should be easy to find images after they're uploaded. Tabbed interface for file operations. Keyboard shortcuts. Built-in support for inline image file insertion into text areas. Now it doesn't mention WYSIWYG, it's mentioning text areas specifically, but this is a good start, being able to insert images directly into a text area. Multiple file selection, AJAX file operations, and themable layout using TPL files. Okay, all of this sounds good. A few of these sound particularly pertinent to what we're trying to do right now. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Here's a big title that says how to integrate into WYSIWYG editors. So this is one advantage to reading through a project page, is that a lot of times the most common questions are answered directly on the module page. So some of the things we've done in the past to learn about configuration for a module has been clicking on the configure link next to the module in the modules listings page. We've also gone to the help page and tried to find if there's any inline help for the module. We've also done searches in Google to see if we can find information around certain modules. And then this is one more thing we can add to our tool belt. We can look at the module page itself and see if it tackles any of our problems. Okay, so this looks like it gives some instructions on how to integrate WYSIWYG. There are a couple of known issues. Neither of these are really directed at what we're doing. Some recommended modules to install in addition. We can skip this for now. And it looks like there's a demo here to see IMC integrated into various WYSIWYG editors. Let's go ahead and click this and take a look at it. I'm opening it up in a new tab.